Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix verification code not received in your iPhone. Now to fix this up, you have to first of all go and click on your settings gear icon. Once you click on it, you will get into your settings, go and click on general. In the general, make sure that your VPN is turned off, right, if you have connected. So just to check it, go to VPN and device management. And here it should be not connected. If you are connected to anything, just go and turn it off, right? And once you turn it off, just go back to here, and here in the bottom you will see this option of transfer or reset iPhone. Now here you have to just go and click on reset. So it will reset each and everything. If you don't want to reset, so just save this step for the last. If nothing works out, this will 100% work out, but of course it will take a lot of time and it may delete your data or it will waste time consuming, right? Now here you can just reset it as I told you. Now the second thing is that where verification code doesn't happen but just due to a small error, that is just go and check your language and region, right? Because this is very important, and make sure your region is your country and your capital and everything is exactly where you are living. Now this is also just go and check your date and time because that's matter a lot. Make sure it is not this is turn on set automatically, and this should be your time zone, right, with your country time zone, your location time zone. And here once everything is done, just go and click on software update and make sure that software update is turned on and it is up to the latest date or latest update, right? So this is the some solution which will definitely work out. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.